Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn about bones and joints. Bones provide support to our body and helps to form our shape. Although they are very light, bones are strong enough to support our entire weight. The bones in our body form a framework called the skeleton. The skeleton lies under the skin. It gives shape and support to the body. Bones also protects the important organs of our body. Like the skull protects the brain. You can feel your skull by pushing on your head, especially in the back a few inches above your neck. The skull is actually made up of different bones. Some of these bones protect your brain, whereas others make up the structure of your face. If you touch beneath your eyes, you can feel the ridge of the bone that forms the hole where your eyes sits. The ribs form a cage that shelters the heart and lungs. Ribs acts like a cage of bones around your chest. It's easy to feel the bottom of this cage by running your fingers along the sides and front of your body, a few inches below your heart. If you breathe in deeply, you can easily feel your ribs right in the front of your body. Some thin kids can even see a few of their ribs right through their skin. The spinal cord, a pathway for messages between the brain and the body, is protected by the backbone or spinal column. The pelvis provides support and protects the intestine, bladder, and the reproductive organs of our body. When you were baby, you had tiny hands, tiny feet, and slowly as you grew older, everything became a bit bigger, including your bones. A baby's body has around 300 bones at birth. These eventually fuse, or you can say grow together, to form the 206 bones that adults have. Bones are made up of a framework of a protein called collagen and mineral called calcium phosphate that makes the framework hard and strong. Bones store calcium and releases some into the bloodstream when it's needed by other parts of the body. The amount of some vitamins and minerals that you eat, especially vitamin D and calcium, directly affect how much calcium is stored in the bones. Now, let's talk about joints. The place where two or more bones are joined together is called a joint. Joints make the skeleton flexible. Without them, movement would be impossible. Joints allow our bodies to move in many ways. Joints allow us to bend, twist, or kick. Some joints open and close like a hinge, such as knees and elbows, whereas others allow for more complicated movement. A shoulder or hip joint, for example, allows for backward, forward, sideways, and rotating movements. Some moving joints, like the ones in your spine, move only a little. Some joints in our body are fixed and don't move at all, while some joints are called as moving joints because they helps us in our movements. Here are some interesting facts about bones. There are 26 bones in the human foot. The human hand, including the wrist, contains 54 bones. The femur or thigh bone is the longest and strongest bone of the human skeleton. The stapes in the middle ear is the smallest and the lightest bone of the human skeleton. That's all for today. In our next class, we will learn about muscles. Till then, take care and have a nice day.